Welcome to the SAP Business One usability series on field navigation using Ctrl plus Tab. There are a number of ways you can navigate between fields and modify these fields while working on a document. I would like to create a sales order for my customer parameter technology. So I search for sales order in the lookup menu. And then I select my customer parameter technology. I then am going to add the item number for the Rainbow Laser Printer series. I want to change the description of the item on the sales order to highlight that this particular printer is an old model. When I try to exit or tab out of the field, the system will not allow me to because this description of the item does not exist in the item master data. To move out of the field, I simply use Ctrl Tab, and this will allow me to continue to modify the sales order accordingly. If the item is managed by a batch or serial number under Quantity, by selecting Ctrl Tab, you are then able to select the serial number or batch number required for this particular item. By selecting Unit Price and selecting Ctrl Tab, I'm then presented with the Last Prices report. Under Warehouses, by selecting Ctrl Tab, I've got the ability to view this item across all the warehouses in my system. By selecting Item Number and Ctrl Tab, I've got the ability to select an alternative item if an alternative item has been defined for this particular item number. If I select another item where an alternative item has been defined and click Ctrl Tab, then the alternative item selection criteria window will appear and allow me to choose an alternative item for this particular sales order. There are a number of fields in SAP Business One that allow you to navigate and modify your document using the Ctrl Tab function.